Hey you guys, hope you're doing amazing. Thank you guys so much for being here, first of all. This is a very impromptu cooking video, like zero planning has gone into this. And so we're gonna hit it up on the fly right now, but I thought it'd be fun. I am gonna do something that I personally have never done from beginning to end by myself, and that is just wait. Mr. Fishy in here. There's a real fish in here. It was caught this last week by one of my friends, and it's here. So I now have to clean the fish, cut the fish, and cook the fish. So we also have scallops that one of my roommates has brought home from his job. He works in a corporate kitchen. And so I got some pasta, and we're gonna do some garlic creamy pasta with the fish and the scallops. So pretty excited about it. Thank you guys, let's get to it. Okay, you guys, I am gonna attempt to do something by myself, which is cut this fish open. It of course looks amazing because it's all going very fast, but I struggled and I have never actually cut the fish by myself before. So I hope you guys enjoy this and watching this very fast version of me trying to get this fish apart. It is definitely hard. It is slimy. As you can see, I am finishing washing it out here. There was a lot of gunk on the inside of that thing. So my goal was to get as much meat out as possible. I wasn't necessarily too worried about filleting it just because it is going into a pasta tonight. So cutting it exactly how I am right now and just trying to get to the meat was the most important thing that I was focusing on through this entire cutting. You guys go see it was not easy. If you guys have ever cut a fish before, kudos to you. You have a lot of hand strength and I need to learn from you. So if you have any thoughts you'd like to share of what I did or did not do right, please by all means in the comments share with me how you cut your fish because I'm still learning. But hey, we gotta try somewhere and we gotta start somewhere, right? So I will let you guys finish watching out this last little bit until we get into making the pasta itself. Okay, so one of the most important things that you have to do while you wait for your water to boil is have a glass of wine. Cheers, people. What better than to put with creamy pasta than a Sauvignon Blanc? This one is from Topping and Legnon, I think? One of the parents at my school is a chef, and they got that for me for Christmas. So I'm very excited. I'll send them a post later on that I use this for my food. So now we're gonna go ahead and kind of clean up the messy, bloody tray from the bass. I did it. It took me forever, but I did it. Which I'm really happy because I only have so much scallops, so I think the bass and the scallops together on the pasta are just gonna be phenomenal. And anything that's cooked in butter and garlic, like, done. So let me go ahead and clean this up. I'm gonna get everything set and prepped, so you guys will watch this going across the interwebs. So my goal here was just to focus on kind of cubing everything as best possible. These scallops were huge, and so I had to cut them into fourths just to really make sure they would make it through 3 people eating that night. And get them all prepped and ready, get our water boiling, and people, butter. Butter is the key to just life. It's the key to cooking. Oh, we can see Chloe in the background. She's running around. So we added some garlic and roasted fresh garlic, salt and pepper, of course, and just gave that a few little minutes to saute. Threw in some red pepper flakes, and then my sous chef, or possibly chef, one of our roommates was there helping out. It was his scallops that he brought home from work. So we worked all together, threw a little bit of vegetable stock in, some milk and flour to go ahead and thicken the sauce up, and then the actual pasta. And so we just moved that all around and got it all yummy looking. I do not know technical chef terms. That is not what these videos are about. It's about to show you guys that even somebody who doesn't know what they're doing can actually do it. We started adding some more Parmesan while I got the fish in the other pan, starting, and added some salt and pepper and more butter. More butter, people. Butter, butter, butter. So pretty excited about that. It is looking fantastic, and I can't wait to show you the final reveal in a second. Bam! Doesn't it look beautiful? Thank you guys so much for being a part of this video. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.